Hello everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing Saturday afternoon. I just wanted to share this lovely little clip with you that this afternoon one of the corellas have come down to have a snack. They are absolutely beautiful. I haven't seen this little guy for so long. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this beautiful little video that I've recorded. You can also find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and also Threads. Please like, share and follow, and I will see you all there. Bye.